how to change username or account name on Windows 11. So on this process, you'll have to firstly click on this search option and search for the option control panel. So simply from here, you'll have to open control panel. Okay, so from the control panel, you'll have to choose for the option like user account. So from here, you will have to click again on the user account. Okay, so after here, you'll have to go for the options like change your account name. So simply click on this. So on here, you'll have to type your new account name here. So this can be a new account name. So after entering the new account name for your system, you'll have to click on this change name option. And after clicking on this change name option, your PC or laptop user account name will be changed. So simply you can also change the account name of your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So if this video was helpful to you, please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.